Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Yours truly Making here. Listen, I've really been enjoying how people are continuing to enjoy their Christmas decor by transitioning into Valentine's decor, even further into springtime or either Easter decor. Have you seen these Christmas trees with all the Easter eggs and the Easter decorations hanging on it? Gorgeous. Yeah, and actually my thought was for my Christmas decoration this year, if you guys recall, I did like magical forests. I wanted to do something that didn't really define Christmas, but was more like seasonal, because I didn't want to be under the pressure to take it down immediately. I mean, right after New Year's, we're always under pressure to take our Christmas decorations down. We start judging ourselves. Oh my God, my Christmas decoration is still up. We're worried that other people are judging us. And yeah, so I wanted to keep my decoration up a little bit longer and do other things with it. Come join me now and decorate with me as I transition some of my Christmas decor into Valentine's decor. Let's get started. Okay, of course, part of my magical forest decor, I had 3 trees. And I thought, oh, that's a lot of decoration, or 3 trees to decorate for Valentine's Day. Plus, I shifted my dining room table a little bit forward to make room for those trees. And actually, I just wanted the space back in my dining room. But I had originally done my fireplace with these accents of dark red and everything. I was like, let's work with that. And because I was already in the dark red theme, here, my fireplace would be the perfect place to create my Valentine's decor. So what have I done already? I removed some of the leaves and the berries that I had added in there because they kind of dried out. But one thing I did keep was these pieces. They dried out beautifully and I can reuse them, recycle, recycle. Next thing we're going to work with are these fake fur garland pieces. I ordered them before Christmas because if you guys remember my fireplace inspiration pic, I'll put it up here again for you. This was just an ad that popped up on Pinterest and I was like, oh, they look good. So I ordered them, but then once I just put my simple original garland here, I was satisfied with it. I wanted to keep it simple, but now we're going to use this and try to build up even more and use this as part of our Valentine's decoration. But one thing I want to do first is, if you see, I already have this vase here because I want to work in 2 vases, because then of course it depends on how much foliage I get working over here, how much beautiful flowers arrangement I also do here. Okay, so I have this one here and then I have this one. It was given to us for our anniversary. I think this will fit good into here somehow. Okay, so let's see what I can do with this. It has a loop built in on it. Let's see if I can put this loop up here on the top of the mirror. Now I'm going to go back in with the dried pieces here and add them. as a starting point. In my cellar, pulled out some of the best dark red Christmas decor I had in my collection. So this is what I have. Oh, look, they still have the tags on them. I haven't used them yet. Let me go get some scissors. Some scissors. Next thing I have is beautiful porcelain white ones, different sizes, different shapes, but I love them because they have the same crimson red velvet ribbon on them. And as you see, I have these in my collection. I haven't used them yet. Perfect time, perfect time. Okay, I'm liking it. Next phase. I found also these in my collection. I'm gonna go spray paint them red. And we're gonna put these pine cones in there. And then I have some small boxes that I'm gonna wrap in Valentine's paper with some ribbons. And yeah, I'll see you back in a minute. Okay guys, I bought these set of little small boxes on Amazon. I'll leave the link down for you in the description box if you're interested. So I'm just building together maybe about 4 or 5 of them. And my plan is to wrap them in Valentine's paper with some beautiful white and red bows. Ugh, you guys, if you're cringing right now, I totally understand. Listen, I have a lot of talents. I can design and build anything, but for some reason I am horrible. I suck at wrapping gifts and wrapping gift boxes. Oh, it's hilarious. It's just laugh worthy. Okay, finally one done. Like I said, it's only laugh worthy. I can laugh at myself. One down, 4 to go. Hi guys, welcome back. It's the next day. I got myself a little dolled up in the mood of Valentine's Day. Listen, I just want to catch you up on what I've done since the last time I saw you. My pine cones, my sprayed pine cones were dry. So then of course I found places for them in the design. Even though it was a struggle bus, I finished my wrap packages and I placed them in my design. this morning I'm running to two of my favorite flower shops. So I have some fresh flowers and we're gonna finish this up by doing the floral arrangement here in the vases that are kind of like hid in the leafery and in the design. So let's get started. Okay guys, one of the last finishing touches. Didn't want to do too much kitsch, but I thought these were so cute, these little wooden love signs. We're gonna stick them in there and see if we like them. That's enough. Oh, I should have put one. No, because the flower's there. That's enough. Maybe I should have bought 4 of them. And the last thing was, I looked for dark crimson red large candles because I wanted to do all the candles in the fireplace in red. Couldn't find any, but let's at least light the ones I have. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed my Valentine's decor. I think it turned out pretty good. Listen, let me know what you think down in the comments, and as always, yours truly, a heart with a happy Valentine's Day, Heart Macon. Ciao!